with these fittings, brake lines, bleeder valves, anything that's got like an aluminum fitting or a brass fitting, any of that kind of stuff, you want to use a line wrench. So these line wrenches, grab the nut on all sides. It's always good to grab the nut on all sides, but anyway, so that you don't strip it, round it off. Sometimes you get corroded in there, and this allows you to break that loose where you just have a regular wrench and it's just grabbed it on two sides. You put it in here, you put a 12 point on it, you got it on all sides except for you're just at the ends of each one of those nuts. So a line wrench is a way to go when you're dealing with brake lines, tranny cooler lines, any kind of a fitting that's got a line going through it, so that you can bust it loose without tearing stuff up and causing bigger headache for you.